Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 8th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of August, 2024, our system has categorized Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.98. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has faced a decline of 2.31%. This equates to an average decrease of 0.39% each day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within the lower segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $208.57 be breached, it would initially signify a decelerating rate of increase and may serve as an early indicator of a possible trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 20.28% over the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 17.61% to 38.83%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it forecasts a change of 15.54% over the next 12 months, with potential returns varying from -5.40% to 28.36%. This corresponds to a price range of $201.79 to $273.81 after a year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, "Green Day on Thursday for Apple stock after gaining 1.66%. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 8th of August, 2024, Apple stock saw an increase of 1.66%, climbing from $209.82 to $213.31. During this trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.57%, with a low of $208.83 and a high of $214.20. The stock has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days, although it remains down by 1.92% over this period. Notably, the trading volume decreased on the last day by 15 million shares, with a total of 45 million shares changing hands, amounting to approximately $9.5 billion. It is important to note that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $237.23, while the lowest price recorded was $164.08. Currently, the price stands 10.08%, or $23.92, below the 52-week high of $237.23, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Apple recently made significant adjustments to its App Store policies following criticism from the European Commission regarding competition concerns. This strategic shift aims to align with the Digital Markets Act, allowing developers to interact directly with customers outside the app. This move could enhance user experience, but may also dilute Apple's control over its marketplace. In addition, there are reports suggesting that Apple might implement a subscription fee of up to $20 for advanced artificial intelligence features in its apps. This potential revenue stream could bolster profitability in the short term, capitalizing on the growing demand for AI-driven technologies. However, the The revised compliance plan has faced backlash from major players such as Spotify and Epic Games, who argue that it remains insufficient. Continued dissatisfaction from competitors could lead to regulatory scrutiny, which might affect Apple's stock in the long term if it indicates ongoing legal challenges. On the performance side, amidst claims of being overvalued, analysts are cautious, projecting a modest earnings per share growth of around 10%. As macroeconomic conditions continue to challenge the tech sector, these factors may contribute to volatility in Apple's stock price, prompting investors to closely monitor how the company's responses to regulatory pressures align with its monetization strategies in artificial intelligence. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 6th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned Apple a buy grade along with a hold action. On Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, CFRA also gave Apple a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, Piper Sandler rated Apple as neutral with a hold action. On the same day, KeyBank provided Apple with a sector weight grade and a hold action. Additionally, on Friday, the 2nd of August, 2024, Bank of America Securities assigned Apple a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, in terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, potentially signaling an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which could impact near-term developments. The Apple stock indicates sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Moreover, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of 214.28 cents and 219.75 cents. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 16, 2024, and thus far, the stock has declined by 9.16%. Further declines are projected until a new bottom pivot is established. In addition, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, recorded 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, identified 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, noted 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, also recorded 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal observed 8 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal, noted 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal, identified 68 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal observed 56 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $213.07. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock demonstrates average movements throughout the day, and with a good trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $5.37 between its high and low, which represents a change of 2.57%. In the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 4.59%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard P/E ratio, frequently observed in companies with long histories or consistent revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $1.59. Pay attention to these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $214.24. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $213.07. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams executed an insider sale of 97,600 shares of common stock. On the same day, Catherine L. Adams sold an additional 2,400 shares of common stock. On the 7th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams sold 4,500 shares of common stock. Earlier, on the 30th of May, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson sold 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2024, Chris Kondo conducted a sale of 4,999 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 21.435. In total, insiders purchased 1,927,641 shares and sold 2,702,576 shares in these last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Apple stock a good buy? The Apple stock shows several negative indicators, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate a weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, our assessment of this stock remains negative. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 9th of August, we predict that Apple will open lower by $1.20, starting at $212.11. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.